Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover the further variables from the RTVJOBA command. So for that, I am taking my program in edit mode. As usual, firstly we are declaring the variables. So today we are going to discuss these three variables, which is runpty, timeslice, and purge. To know about this data type and length, what we will do, we will firstly go and hit the command RTVJOBA, then we'll press F4. So once you press F4, you will reach to this screen where you can do page down, because these variables we have already covered in our previous sessions. So I'm doing page down. Today we are going to cover these three: runpty, timeslice, and purge. Now to know about the purpose why we use this variable, what value we retrieve from there, then you can use F1. So press F1 key here by placing your cursor, and then you will find the information related to that particular variable. So here it is mentioned, specify the name of CL variable that receives the 2-digit value ranging from 1 through 99. That is the processing priority for the job in which this command is used. So basically it will return the processing priority. Okay, and that is and then this value is the highest run priority allowed by any thread within the job. Individual thread within the job may have lower run priority. So if there is an individual thread, then it might be possible that they have their own lower run priority. The variable must be a 2-digit decimal variable specified with no decimal positions. So this is about this variable. Okay. Now we will see about the time slice. So I'm doing F1. So here it is mentioned, specify the name of CL variable that receives the 7-digit value ranging from 8 through 9999. 7 times 9s. Okay, that is the maximum number of milliseconds that a thread within this job can run when it is given processing time. The variable must be a 7-digit decimal value specified with no decimal position. Okay, so basically it will return the maximum number of milliseconds that a thread within this job can run. Now third one is purge. So to know about purge, you can press F1. So I'm taking F1. Here it is mentioned, specify the name of CL variable that receives the special value which indicates whether this job is eligible to be moved out of main storage and placed into auxiliary storage at the end of the time of a time slice, or when entering a long wait. Okay, so basically it will decide whether we need to the job will be moved or not, something like this. Okay, and here it is mentioned that for additional information on job purging, we can refer this parameter description under the chg job command. And this variable must be a character variable with minimum length of 10 character. Okay, so we got the information like what should be the length and what should be the type and what are the values that these variable will return. So in same manner we will declare the variable. So here I have declared the three variable runpty. You can keep you can change the name as per your requirement, but just for simplification I keep the same name so that it will be easy for to understand which value we are retrieving. And here is the type and length, which should be same as we see in the command. Now variable declaration is done, and once this line number 16 got executed, we will retrieve the values in these three variables, and then we are printing it. So as we already know that sndpgmsg command only takes the character value, so that's why the above two variable is of decimal type, so we will convert those variable to character and then we will print it. So you just need to write sndpgmsg, then press F4, and here you can pass the variable inside that built-in function which we are using to convert the value into character. So I write %char, and inside that I am passing my variable which is of decimal type. So this variable will be converted to character and then we will print it. In the same manner, I am converting the time slice also. So time slice is also converting to the character value, and then we have the third one, which is purge. This is not S2WS, it is purge. Okay, so as purge is already in character type variable, so there is no need to convert it. So I'm just directly passing it inside the sndpgmsg command. So just write sndpgmsg, then press F4, and here you can pass your variable. So this is how we can retrieve the values and print the values in CL program. So now it's time to compile it and see the output. It is compiled now. Now I'm calling this. So first value we are getting here is 39. second value is 2000, and third value is, just a second, it is changed. First value is now 50, 2000 and star, yes. Okay, so this is how we will retrieve these three information, which is run priority, time slice and purge. Okay, so if there is any requirement where you need such information, then you can utilize this RTVJOBA command. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Share Myth.